Hi, welcome to Inside Censhare. I'm Ian Truscott, VP of Global Marketing. In this video series, I'm going to introduce you to a number of my colleagues, our clients, our partners, so you can get a taste of who we are here at Censhare and what we do and how we can help. Please enjoy this episode. Hi, welcome to Inside Censhare. I'm Ian Truscott, VP Global Marketing. Today again, I'm joined by Walter Bauer, our CTO and one of our founders, so great that you could join us again. Last time we were talking about sort of the beginning of Censhare. Now I know, I'm a bit of a former techie myself, so I know one of those early decisions was not to go with a relational database, which is something people always talk to us about. Help us with that decision. What happened there? Why did you choose not to go that route?
That's a tricky question, and I try to answer it not in a too technical way.
Yeah.
The point is, actually, of course, we are using still a relational database, but the point is that we kind of misuse it because we are using it with a graph database model. And the initial point was that we started as a system integrator, and we had to connect to many different systems. And many different systems mean that all have different data structures and data schemas. And we were overwhelmed by the task to really incorporate all this data. So from the beginning we thought about we have to have some sort of generic structure, generic database model that is easy to adapt, easy to extend, so that we can incorporate all data that we want to extract out of the silos into one big system.
Right, so the flexibility of the data model, if I'm understanding that correctly? Yeah. So we often talk about, I'm not sure whether you want to talk about the semantic nature of the database, but we often talk about it being a semantic database.
Yeah, sure.
What's the relationship with that?
Sure, because the point is I would say, in a relational database, everything is fixed. So people create schemas, and the links and the interconnectivity between the data is really hard-coded in the structure. And it's very hard to change later and to adapt. Now we want to have the flexibility to really throw in all kind of data, all kind of meta information, and all kind of relationships between data. And it's especially the connectivity between data that. For example, classic thing is somebody is the author of an article, or somebody is a buyer of a certain product, and this kind of information in our system, in a graph database structure, is of course stored in the connections between the various things.
Right. So you're gaining sort of some context and intelligence around these assets.
And of course, this is semantics. It's really because I know that somebody is related to something or somebody else.
And I think it's interesting there, you're also talking about assets, you were talking about metadata, you were talking about people. So when we talk about content management, we're not just talking about content, are we?
In my opinion, it's kind of a problem because we are in our business are talking about content, but everybody's talking about content. Maybe we should talk about a thing database because we can put everything into it.
I love the term thing, but I don't think thing management is going to work for us.
Probably not,
Anyway, so thanks. That's the next episode with Walter. Thank you for joining us again. And join us again soon on Inside Censhare.